Excuse me, sir. How much is this 50-cent honey bun?
$1.
$1?
Yes.
You sure? God motherfucking damn.
What's that? You don't like me? Have a nice day.
Can you shut up?
Oh, it's a beautiful day outside. Not as beautiful as me. Boy. Mom, I think there's a ghost in my room. Sweetie, there's nothing in your room. So I'm not in now? Oh my god! Oh my god!
That's funny. You think I sleep. Sleep is for the weak!
How does it feel to be the worst cop ever, huh? Shut up, your mother buys you Mega Blocks instead of Legos. You take that back.
Saying I'm stupid.
No.
Do I look stupid to you?
Hear about Johnny?
What happened?
He passed
I'm so sorry.
his chemistry exam with flying colors.
You kidding?
Call for help, man!
Can I get 3 large pizzas?
Dude!
Breadsticks. And breadsticks.
In every group of friends, there's the dumb one.
Really? You want a beer? He's 4! I don't know, what am I supposed to do with him? Why are you so f***ing ugly, bro?
Welcome to the life of an adult child. You wake up, it's time for coffee. Take a shower, it's time for coffee. Go to work, it's time for coffee. Get fired, it's time for coffee. And by 5 o'clock, it should be time for coffee.
It's time to play. Who stole the drugs? Was it me?
Was it me?
I think it's him. Fucking pink fairies everywhere.
How are you so funny? T-R-A-U-M-A. I have trauma and I'm gay.
Gun to your head, what are your last words?
Yes! 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 Oh my god, yes! Finally!
Toothless kinda hot? Who the f is that? The dragon! From out of time! Stop!